If you're wondering how to create a new job in Housecall Pro from your phone, you're in the right place. This simple process will help you stay organized and manage your business on the go. I'll walk you through exactly how to create a job using the mobile app and explain some tips along the way to make it more efficient. First, make sure you have the Housecall Pro app downloaded on your phone. Once that's done, log into your account. The dashboard should greet you with an easy-to-navigate interface. To start, tap on the Jobs section from your main screen. You'll be directed to a list of your existing jobs and a plus sign at the bottom right corner. Tap the plus sign to create a new job. This is where the magic happens. Now, you'll enter some key details about the job. Start by selecting the customer for whom you're creating the job. You can either choose an existing customer or quickly add a new one if they're not already in your system. For a new customer, you'll input their basic contact info, name, phone number, and email. This ensures that all communication stays streamlined. Next, you'll select the service that you'll be performing for this job. Housecall Pro makes this easy by letting you choose from preset services, which you can customize later, or you can add a new one if it's a special request. Whether it's an HVAC installation or plumbing repair, the software makes sure everything is properly categorized, so there's no confusion. Once the service is chosen, you'll be prompted to set the date and time for the job. Housecall Pro allows you to schedule this on the spot or even set it as a recurring job if necessary. This is a great feature for businesses that provide ongoing services to customers, as it helps you stay ahead of your schedule. Now, here's the cool part. You can also assign a technician to this job directly from your phone. This eliminates the need for back and forth communication with your team. You'll see a list of available technicians, and you can pick the best fit for the job based on their current availability. As you continue, you can add any notes or special instructions that will help the technician complete the job successfully. This is perfect for specific requests, like customer preferences or unique site conditions. All of these details are kept in one place, making it easier for everyone involved. Once all the job details are entered, you'll hit Create Job, and the job will be saved to your calendar. You'll get a confirmation message and can see the job on your schedule ready to go. You can even send an automatic email or text notification to your customer, keeping them in the loop. If you want to go back and make any changes to the job, Housecall Pro makes it easy to edit it directly from your phone, which is perfect when you're out in the field. Whether it's rescheduling or adding additional services, you can manage everything in real time. The best part? You can use Housecall Pro completely free from the first link in the description below. With exclusive bonuses included, you'll have full access to all the features that make managing your business easier than ever. And if you stick around till the end, I'll share how you can get an extended free trial to Housecall Pro. It's perfect for any service business looking to streamline their scheduling, billing, and overall operations right from the palm of your hand. So there you have it. Creating a job in Housecall Pro from your phone is quick and simple. This app is a game changer for managing your service business on the go, and with the exclusive free trial, you can start taking advantage of its features today.